Alright, so from page 381, here's the answers and the work. So looking at B, which is 8/9, I know that when I need to make a fraction into a decimal, I need to divide my numerator by my denominator. So 8 divided by 9. I know that I cannot do that first step, so I have to do 0, because 9 times 0 will get me close to 8. Add my decimals and a few zeros. So now 9 times what number will get me close to 80? And that's going to be 8, which is 72. Subtract, I'm left with 8. Back to 80. 9 times 8 again is still going to give me 72. Still going to have 8 left over. So I'm looking at a common theme. So my answer is going to be 0 and 8/10 repeating. Okay, if you had troubles with that, why don't you try and do A and C, and the sub will have those answers. Alright, looking down at F, so I have -2 and 1/6. Remember, my first step is to change my mixed fraction to improper. So I'm going to have 2 times 6 plus my 1, so 12 plus 1, so 13. 6, I need to divide that. So 13 divided by 6. 6 times 2 will get me close to 13 without going over. I have one remainder. I need to figure out what that is, so I need to add my decimal and my zeros. Drop down my 0. 6 times 1 will get me close to 10 without going over. Subtract, so I have 4 left. Pull down my 0, so I'm at 40. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to have 4 remainder. Sorry, I'm at the end of the page. Pull down my 0, I'm still at 40. Okay, so if I had 40 this time and I have 40 this time, I'm still going to have to times 6 by 6 to get 36. I'm left with 4 remainder. So my repeating is the 6 part. So my answer has to be negative, because I had a negative here, don't forget it. -2 and 16 hundredths? Yeah, tenths, thousand. No. Tenths, hundredths, thousand, hundredths, yeah. Alright, so -2 and 16 hundredths repeating. Okay, again, if you've had issues with that, sorry, I can't see. If you had issues with that, go ahead and try E and D, and the sub will have those answers. Alright, now I need you to do guided practice with a friend if they're done. If they're not done, then you're going to have to do it solo. And then whenever you're finished with guided practice, go ahead and check it with the sub. And go ahead and do all of independent practice. Alright, good luck. I will see you guys tomorrow.